Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. Hope you are safe wherever you are watching me from. On today's tutorial, I will be teaching you guys how to cut and sew this trendy shift dress with front design and it's a very simple and unique style. I want to appeal to you friends to support what we do here by watching my tutorials to the end. Please, because I put in effort to make this tutorial and it gladdens my heart when I see you guys watch them. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share this tutorial with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and you can also comment and let us know what you think about my tutorials. You can also turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload beautiful tutorials like this. Like I said, if you're interested to know how we're able to make this style, I will employ you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end, and it's another way for you to support my YouTube channel to also grow. So guys, if you have your material there with you, you can bring it out so that we can cut this unique style together. So guys, let's get started now with our tutorials.
So this is our material that we are using to make this our shift dress. This is the duffel that we use to design the front neck, and this is the Accra fabric. So if you have yours, just bring it out so that we can start with our tutorial now. So let's get started with our measurement. So I'm folding it in 4 pieces. So we are cutting it all together. What I mean is the front and the back, we are cutting it all together, and the yarn that we are using for this beautiful shift dress is 2 yards that we are using to make this beautiful style. So I employ you to watch it and watch it to the end so that you know how to cut this style and wear it out. So I will start with my measurements. So for my length, what I'm giving out there is 34, because we use that black to complete our length. So that is 34 that I'm marking there now, and the actual length that we are using altogether is 37. So that is the length now. So after that is my neckline. What I'm giving out for my neck is 3, and the front neck is V neck. So that is 7 that I marked there. And for the back, I'm giving out this neckline 1 inch to slope it down. So for my shoulder is 1 inch that I also marked and to slope it down. So I've done that. So the width of my body measurement that I want to use for this fabric that I'm measuring there is 12.5. So that is my armhole, and that is where it will form our sleeve. So my armhole is what I'm marking there now. Marking it from the shoulder to get it is 8, and that's my V-neck now. So this is how you go about it when making your own. So that is my 13 that I marked to get that shape. What I marked there now is 11.5. So that is my 11.5 for that 13 that I marked on that line. So we just connect it together and connect it down to the length that we just marked now. So that is my connecting to the down to the length. So after that now, so we just cut it out because we have measured the front and the back all together. So remember, is all cut together that we are making. So what I'm using my hand to demonstrate for you there now is where we'll start with sewing to get our armhole and the length will form out. So that's my neckline for the neck. So I'm cutting it so that by the time I finish cutting this neckline, I will open it and spread it out so that I will now be able to cut our V neckline for the front. So we use the fabric that I just showed you, that the black material, to get our sleeve. So we also use to complete it for the downside of our sleeve and also for the downside of our shift dress that we are making. So this is what I mean now. So I want to cut the neckline for my front neck, that is the V neckline. So can you see what I've done there now? So I've cut it out and it has formed out our neckline for the V neck for the front. So I've done that now. So after that now is now for the downside to complete. So this is what I mean now. That is my fabric that I'm using, is duffel that I use to complete it. So I will show you how I get it. That is the length. So after that now is for the neck, to get at that our neckline design that we want to use for the fabric. So this is how you place it when cutting your own. So just do everything that you can see me doing there. Just follow it up and it will come out very good. So can you see the way I place it for us to use to cut our V neckline? And after that, I will give her the shape that we want for the front design, for the fabric, that is the black fabric that we are cutting now. So this is how you also go about it when making your own. So we have done that now. So what I did now, I just remain a little. I did not cut it exactly for that black, so that by the time I want to fix it, it will complete it. Even though it remain, you can also trim it out. So just look at what I want to do now. So what I'm marking there now is 14.5. that is the length that I want to use there for the fabric to get our front design. So just see the way I'm shaping it. So can you see the way I'm shaping it out for us now to get that our design, the cutting, the shape of what I'm trying to cut out. So this is how you go about it. The downside of it is very sharp V, and you can see the way I'm curving it out now for us to get that design, to get the shape. So I'm just trying to see that it's too small, that one that I marked earlier. So I'm taking my hand further to give it that shape again. So I extended it. So that is where I want it now. The way I'm drawing it now is what I want it to be, so that it will not be too small, because we will later iron it and fold it together so that we can use it to place at the front design and sew it down. So this is where I really want now. That is where I'm cutting now. So can you see the way I've cut it, and you can see the way I'm putting my scissors to cut it out, to just give it that look. That is what I want for the front design, the shape. So this is how you also go about it when making your own. So I've done that now. So can you see? Let me spread it out for you to see what I've done then as well. I'm just showing what I will do, that I will go and iron it out and fold it together. So can you see the shape now? So this is how it will be. So we'll place it at the front of the style that we are making, that is the front design. So we have done that. So we want to go and iron it now to show you. So this is how we place it. Let me just open it. That is my front neckline that I've done there. That is the front, is what I'm marking now to show you. So just let me also iron it at the middle. So you iron it to your middle point, so that by the time you want to place it, it will be exactly at the middle point. So just fold it together. That is the main shift dress, and iron it to get your middle point. So that is where I place it. So can you see where I place it now? So everything entered the middle point. So what you just do, by the time you finish ironing it together, that is the side of it, that is the black, so that you get that neater sewing before you now sew it down. And that is what I will do, and go and do it on my machine. So now is the downside, that to complete the length of our shift dress. So what I've done there is the width that I'm using there now is 3.5, while for the round sleeve, for my sleeve now, that is the smallest one that you can see me doing, is 2 inch. So by the time we finish it, it has come out. So can you see how it is now?
Hello friends, you can see how beautiful our sheep dress came out. We made use of Ankara fabric and doll face material to complete the sleeve and the front design, and a little design on it on the sleeve also. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe, like and share this tutorial with your friends. You can give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and learn from it. I hope you understood what we did here. If you don't understand it, there's no problem. All you need to do is for you to watch this video again and again, so that you'll be able to learn how to cut and sew it on your own. My joy is for you to know how to cut and sew it on your own. We just did a small design, button design on the front also. You can also do that, just for you to use your fabric to do that. It's a very simple way of making this beautiful style that we just made. Now you can follow the procedure and you are going to get it. So like I said, for you to support my channel, please always watch my tutorials to the end. Give it a thumbs up, like it, comment, let us know what you think about our tutorials, and give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see and learn from it. Always have your fabric so that you'll be able to cut these ties after watching our tutorials. Thank you so much. What can I say again? Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.